Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to use the unique character, that is this one, to get the unique code. So we shall use it to get the chess pieces symbol. So first let us create the chess board. So we shall use the conditional formatting to get the chessboard. So let us first get the borders here. So the chessboard has 64 squares. So as you can see here. So then let me get the column width. So I'm going to use a column width of about 12. So here we have 12. Then the row height about 72. So maybe you can use the font about 72 here. So that is our chessboard. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we need the 8th one here. So you can get the borders. And then we get the column width. So that should be 12. So this is our chessboard. So let me maybe reduce it to around 65. So that is the font. And then here we use the conditional formatting to get a nice chessboard. So you go to conditional formatting. So then click on new rule. Use a formula to determine. So then use the formula mode, then row. The row formula, comma 2. So this should be the same as mode column. So brackets, comma 2, close brackets. Then get the format. So that is fill. So let us get a dark green. So you can go to custom formatting and we get the dark green here. Then click OK. Click OK. Then OK. So that is the chessboard. So then on this side we shall have the whites, and on this other side we have the blacks. So we start with the whites. So here we have the rook. Here we should have the knight. Here it is the bishop. So here we shall have the king. So let us start with the king. So is equal to unique character. So the code is 9812. So then enter. So that is the king. So the queen should be on the white. So here we change it to 9813. So that is the queen. So the next strong piece is the rook. So therefore here we shall have 14. And then the next one should be the bishop. So therefore, so the bishop should be here. So that should be 15. Then the next one is the knight. So therefore we have 16. And then the second bishop should be here. So we copy that one and we paste here. Then we copy this one, the knight, we paste here. Then the rook. So you copy and paste. So now this line is complete. So we go to the pawn. The pawn should be 917. So from 916 we go to 917 for the pawn. So we change that to 17. there we have the pawn. So this one we just copy to this side, and the white pieces are complete. So from 917 we go to 918, so that should be the king, the black king. So we place it here. So is equal to, we just copy this one and paste here. So then we change it to 1898, 18. So that is the black king. So then we get the queen, should be 19 there, and then we get the rook should be 20, 98, 20. Then we have the bishop and the knight here. So we start with the bishop, should be 21, then the knight should be 22, and then we copy and paste. So the bishop should be here, then the knight, and then the rook. So we get the rook to the end here, the rook or the castle. So therefore 923 should be the pawn, the black pawn. So we put 23 here, and therefore we have the pawn, and the chessboard is complete. So that is how we get the pieces. Or if you want this board in form of a picture, so you can get the camera to turn it to a picture. So let me expand this a bit so that we can see. So that is our chessboard. So you can change the color of the board the way you want. So you can go to the fill color and maybe use the red one, and then the font, maybe for the whites you can change to white. That is, let us select the white. So these are the white, so change it to white. So that way. And then here we can have the camera taking that in form of a photo. Or if you want to get this, you can also use Windows Shift S, and then you select here now to get it as a picture, and then you paste it here. So now it is in form of a picture. Alternatively, you can also use the camera. So you go to Home tab, then we have the camera here. And then select, remove this one, then select the cells here, and then enter. So you have the picture, the big picture here. So then you can minimize it. So that way now you have it in form of a picture. So thank you for watching my video, and see you in my next videos.